how to delete your Discord server. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Discord application, right? Now it will lead you to this section. So what you want to do is you can only delete your Discord server if you are actually the owner or the admin of that server. Now, and to do that is to actually choose the server that you want to delete, or to choose the server that you actually own. So let's say this server, I actually own this. Now go here to your conversation area, is your chat area. Now on the upper right, you will see the members icon here. If you tap on that, you will see all your members who are online, and basically so on and so forth. Now on the upper part, you will see four different options there. Tap on settings. Now scroll all the way down up until you see delete channel, and then just delete channel, and it will actually ask for confirmation, and just tap on yes. And basically you have now successfully deleted your Discord server, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.